this? I don't know. Ah! Okay. Ah. Hi guys, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. Yay! This is so weird. Okay, so welcome, hello, and thank you for even freaking watching this. You know, I'm in quarantine, bored. I'm very bored. So, you know, I decided to make a YouTube channel. Yes! This is just for fun, and I'm excited to do something with my day and have a project and just, you know, get excited about something. Thanks for watching. And subscribe if you have a YouTube channel, that'd be awesome. In today's video, I'm just going over a few of my makeup favorites, just a few products that I usually reach for in my daily routine. So thanks guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first product is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Now this retails for $8 and I love this primer. I use it almost every day. As you can see, it's almost gone, but it's a great gripping primer to help the makeup last all day. And it really minimizes the appearance of pores and has a really cool texture to it. And I like to apply this product to the T-zone of my face to help really minimize those pores. Next is the Too Faced Dew You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer, and this is in the shade Radiant Pearl, and this retails around $34. And this is a comfortable primer that doesn't feel too oily. And I love to use this under my foundation to give myself a little more glow. So I add this to the high points of my face. This is my all-time favorite bronzer. This is the Hourglass Ambient Light Bronzer in the shade Diffused Bronze Light. Now this retails for $52, and I know it's a lot of money, but it's so worth it. It gives you such a natural sun-kissed glow. This is the ColourPop So Jaded palette with collaboration with Kathleen Lights, and I love Kathleen Lights. She's probably one of my favorite YouTubers. Now this palette retails for $39, and I'm obsessed. I use this probably every day. It comes with 30 shades, including 1 Super Shock shadow and 2 pressed glitters. I mean, look at those beautiful jewel tone colors. I love it. The shades just make it so easy to create any look, either a warm tone or a cool tone look. The possibilities are really endless. And I'm just creating a super quick and simple look. I probably do this look almost every day. And you can watch me break out into dance in 3, 2, 1. This is the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter, and this is in the shade Flexitarian. This retails for $6. I love this highlighter because it has such a nice buttery soft feel. It also has a really cool bouncy texture to it. It's a really gorgeous champagne color that you can use for your everyday look. Next is the Iconic London Illuminator, and this is in the shade Original. It's a really beautiful champagne shimmer color. Now this retails for $41, and you can wear this product alone or you can mix it in with your foundation for a dewy look. Does anyone else have any ride or die makeup products? I want to know. Leave a comment down below your favorite products. This is the Pretty Vulgar Extreme Volume Mascara, and this retails for $23. And I use this mascara almost every day. And how cute is the packaging? I love it. Next is the ColourPop BFF Mascara, and this is in the shade Blue Ya Mind. Now this retails for $6. And even though this isn't my everyday mascara, I love to use this to create a fun and playful look. The Hank & Henry eyeliner is something that I use every day. It retails for $17. It has a really nice felt tip applicator and it's such a long-lasting eyeliner. This is my go-to liquid lipstick. This is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Uncuffed. And this product is $25. I love this product because it's not drying and you can barely even tell that you're wearing a liquid lipstick, and it lasts all day. Next product is the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer Eyebrow Gel. Damn, that's a long name. Okay, so this retails for $8 and this is in the shade Deep Brown. And this has a really cool tapered brush filled with tiny fibers, and it's perfect if you want to achieve a feathery brow look. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this is in the shade Purple Dream. This has a light peach base with a magenta and purple duochrome shift. Now, when I was looking up the prices, I noticed that on the Sephora website, they're selling it for $27, but on their own website, they're only selling it for $13. Guys, always price compare, save your money. But anyways, this is a really cool highlighter. It's like gold, but in the sun, it shifts to a purple. Totally forgot to film an outro. So thanks guys for watching today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye!